Your vision is not fading because of age. It's fading because your eyes are hungry. Think about this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, reach for your glasses, and still things look blurry. Street signs feel softer. Phone text feels smaller. Faces don't feel as sharp as they used to. Most people over 60 are told, this is normal aging. But here's the truth. No one explains clearly. Your eyes repair themselves at night, and that repair only works when you give them the right fuel before bed. Every night while you sleep, your body enters a deep recovery mode. Your brain detoxifies, your muscles rebuild, and your eyes, especially the retina, begin their most important repair work. This is when damaged light-sensing cells are restored, inflammation calms down, and visual signals become clearer. But if your body is missing key nutrients, this repair process slows down or never fully turns on. That's why what you eat before bed matters more than you think. Let's talk about the one simple nighttime habit that has helped many seniors notice clearer vision, less eye strain, and sharper focus by morning: eating the right eye-nourishing foods before sleep. One of the most powerful foods to eat before bed for vision is a small bowl of plain yogurt with crushed walnuts. Yogurt provides zinc, which helps vitamin A travel from your liver to your retina. Without zinc, night vision weakens quickly. Walnuts add omega-3 fatty acids that protect the delicate blood vessels in your eyes and reduce dryness and inflammation while you sleep. Another powerful option is a boiled egg eaten 2 to 3 hours before bed. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter harmful blue light and protect the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. Eating eggs at night allows these nutrients to circulate during sleep when repair is strongest. If you prefer something lighter, a small piece of papaya or kiwi before bed can make a real difference. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens tiny blood vessels in the eyes and reduces pressure buildup. Many seniors don't realize that fragile eye capillaries are a major cause of blurry vision after 60. Dark leafy greens at dinner also play a huge role. Spinach or cooked kale provides folate and magnesium, which improve blood flow to the optic nerve. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to your eyes overnight. Cooking these greens lightly is important. Raw greens are harder to absorb at this age. One surprising bedtime helper is warm turmeric milk, but only a small cup. Turmeric reduces chronic inflammation that damages eye tissues over time. Milk helps absorb curcumin, the active compound. This combination supports retinal repair during sleep and may reduce morning eye stiffness. Seeds matter too. A tablespoon of soaked chia or flax seeds earlier in the evening provides plant-based omega-3s. These help maintain the tear film in your eyes, reducing dryness and burning sensations many seniors feel in the morning. Timing is critical. Eating these foods too late can disrupt sleep. The best window is 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This allows nutrients to circulate without interfering with digestion or sleep quality. There's also one mistake many seniors make that quietly damages vision overnight: going to bed slightly dehydrated. Even mild dehydration thickens the fluids inside the eye, increasing pressure and strain. A small glass of water 30 minutes before bed can support healthy eye pressure without causing nighttime bathroom trips. Now here's something powerful to remember. Glasses don't heal eyes. Supplements don't always absorb well. But food works with your body, not against it. When you consistently give your eyes the nutrients they need before sleep, you're supporting the natural design of your body. Sharper vision doesn't come from fighting aging. It comes from feeding the repair process that aging slows down. If you're over 60 and want to protect your independence, confidence, and clarity, start tonight. Eat with intention, sleep with purpose, and let your eyes do what they were designed to do: repair, restore, and help you see the world more clearly again.